In your hand. Good boy. What are we having for breakfast?
Toast.
Are you making it for who? Who are you making it for?
Mommy.
And?
Christian.
And Christian, good boy.
And Daddy.
Right, Schutz is going back to America today. Going to be dropping her to the airport. Not sure if this guy's coming with me. But hey, sad times. Rest in peace, George Michael.
Bye,
everybody.
bye.
Bye, Shruti.
Bye.
Say bye, Ata.
Bye.
You'll be a big boy next time I see you.
Angela, I thought I was going back to America now. You're going to see her a long time.
Come back. Should the other come back home?
Shutiata's coming back home in 1 year.
No.
Come back home.
Mom, Tana?
Come back home.
Give cuddle quickly. I thought I was going. Give big cuddle.
My baby.
Come back home.
Yeah. No. Wow, he's so strong. He's like a He-Man. Okay, sit down. Yeah. Bye, baby. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Shruti. All the best, okay? God bless you.
Bye, Arjun. Bye, Krish. Bye, guys.
Stay here.
I wish I could.
Stay here.
You go, Rena. Hey, Rena.
No, Mum. Are you actually recording?
I think so.
Why?
I don't know, because you always record other people, but not many people get to see the man,
Everybody sees me.
the mystery.
You can see me. I'm always on that channel. But I prefer being behind the camera because people don't know how to film.
okay.
You know when people film, some people know how to do it, some people don't. Why isn't this door closing? There you go.
People don't have the same level of art direction as
They
you.
don't, man. They don't have that creative, instinct and vision,
right.
which I possess, which I was
Right.
gifted with, unfortunately.
It's a gift,
It
exactly.
is something you're born with. Sorry, it's not something that you can just develop.
Right.
Gonna miss you, Shreds. Just like last time.
Stop that.
Last time we went to drop Shreds off, we saw Irfan Khan. This time, I thought we were gonna see somebody else.
Oh, did we go from Heathrow last time?
Yeah, we did. We saw Irfan Khan, and the time before that, when me and Sharon came back from America, we saw Gregory Porter, and I met Gregory Porter,
Nobody
the
knows who that
awesome
is, though.
jazz musician. There will be no love that's dying here. See the vocal range.
Will be no love that's dying here.
Anyway, so that's 2 for 2. Now we're going third time on this glorious day with positive vibes. Who else we might see?
Something about you, baby.
Makes me to give it to you. Jam.
It ain't too hard for me to jam. It ain't too hard for me to jam. It ain't too hard for me to jam. Standstill traffic, near enough. On the way to the airport, she's going home, away from home. Are you excited about going back?
Very. I'm excited to see my American family.
They're just family that are from America.
They're my
actually
American
from here.
family.
They're from the UK.
No, they're my American exchange family. I'm doing an exchange, student exchange program.
Are you the freshie kid that's gone over? What's your plans for New Year's then? Have you got any plans with the girls?
No.
No plans?
Not yet, no.
Okay.
We'll probably end up sitting at home and watching the ball drop on the TV.
Who's back then? Is Krishna back?
Krishna Kulkarni's back, Sita Acharya and Ashwin Acharya are at home. Likudi and Kishore Kaka are at home.
So you're really not going to do nothing? I thought the whole point was for you going back early was because you were going to do...
I know, but it's like the
something.
holiday season. I like to spend some time with them, you know. It doesn't matter what we do, it's who you're with.
True.
Wisdom.
New Year's resolution?
New Year's resolution is continue to be awesome, continue to inspire others, inspire the masses, generally just be fabulous. Yeah.
You still wearing 3D glasses?
Yeah, because it's really bright. It's gonna be the new fashion.
Is it gonna be your new 2017 voice as well?
This is yeah. This is my 2017 voice. It's like the lady who works at the Transportation Authority Services.
Chappies on the 7:15 Delta to New York.
Try and get this luggage.
Bumped into another vlogger at the airport. Let's do it, man. Yes, we are the Niravanes. Just a family vlog.
Awesome.
How are you?
Day or?
I'm trying to get to daily vlogging, about 2 or 3 videos a week. Yourselves?
Yeah, I sort of do daily, but it's been, as these guys will tell you, I've not been so good on.
Yourself? What's your channel?
George Benson Vlogs.
George Benson Vlogs.
My name and then just vlogs. Easy.
Cool.
Cool.
Have fun in Cape Town.
Thanks very much, dude. Good to meet you.
And Schutz's bags are gone. Luckily as well, because she was 2 kg over and somehow did her in. It's because of my super distracting scales, wasn't it? So she got away with 2 kg.
I think it was because of my kind face.
Her kind face. Or what, you said Happy New Year to her at the end? No.
Go sit down.
It was also fun bumping into another vlogger as well. George Benson Vlogs. Check him out. Just going to quickly grab a cup of coffee and then I'm heading home. Signing out. Right.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Schwartz.
Take care of the little boys and Sharon.
I will.
Be safe. God bless.
Just got back from the airport. I just wanted to quickly end this vlog just by sort of giving a big shout out to George Benson. He's the guy you saw earlier in the vlog. He's an awesome guy. Got to talk to him. Gave me some really sound advice on the microphone for the camera. I'll leave the link to his channel down below. Make sure everybody goes and subscribes. Hope everyone enjoyed the Christmas and Boxing Day videos. Good night from this one.
Good night.
I'm going to be tucking into this. And good night, beautiful people.